Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm going to do pumpkin spicy latte makeup. I love this season, I love the color of this season, and I'm going to use a drugstore makeup, and some products I'm going to use today is new. It's new here because I tested in my Instagram, so you don't follow me. Before I start to do the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, do you like this video, and enjoy this tutorial. Let's go, let's do it. So my eyebrows, it's done. I have my tea because I am a hand cold girl, you know that girl have cold hand all the time. It's me. I have hands and my feet cold all the time. So I have a cup of tea because I love tea in this time. And let's start to do makeup. So for palette, I chose this one. This is from Studio London. You can find this in Superdrug. Yeah, Superdrug. This is Bold Heat. This is a very beautiful palette. Look at this. It's a cardboard palette. I think this palette is perfect for this makeup I'm going to do today because this colors is perfect for the fall. So I'm going to use this palette today. I think I never used this in my channel. I don't know. I'm not sure, but it's a very good choice for this makeup tutorial. And let's start to do. For this tutorial I'm not going to use a base from P. Louise. I'm going to use a concealer. So I'm going to use this concealer. This is from HNGB and this shade 1W. And I'm going to apply all over my crease. This concealer, it's very good. The coverage is amazing. I love this concealer. And I'm going to blending with a brush. I think I applied too much. My face is a mess because last week my husband's birthday and the cake was chocolate cake, so I ate chocolate cake and this happened. So my face is a big mess. Oh jeez. I love chocolate, but I can't eat too much. For the brush today I'm going to use the Spectrum brush. I show you this brush when I did my unboxing, and I'm going to use this brush today because this is very good brush, really. And I'm going to use the face and the eye brush. So today I'm going to use this brush for eyes and face. For my blending brush, this is the B06. I'm going to use this shade. This is gonna be my first shade. I'm gonna put this shade in my outer V and in my crease. I'm gonna change for this brush because this is a little bit more smaller. This is the B11 and the same shade. I'm going to use this shade. Okay, now I'm going to take my first brush and I'm going to use this shade over here, Intense. It's a little bit more light, this one. And I'm going to blending. I'm going blending this. Now I'm going to use this brush. This is the A28 and I'm going to use this shade. orange, the orange shade, because it's pumpkin spicy makeup, so I need to use the orange shade in the middle of my eye. And for my own corner, this is the A16. So we have these three shades, and now let's see which one. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna use this one. It's more golden shade. I'm going to use this one. Now I'm going to blend in a little bit inside of my crease. I want this a little bit darker, so I'm gonna take other palette. This is from Morphe. This palette, it's very good. I'm gonna use this one for more, you can see, more definition. Not too much. Okay, now with my blending brush, in the middle, I'm going to use the shade Hate. Beautiful. I love it. Now I'm going to do this eye off camera and I will be back. Okay, done. My eyes, it's done. Looks so pumpkin spicy makeup. So I have this eyeshadow. This is from Sephora. And this is the shade Twinkle. I have this eyeshadow and I thought maybe I'm going to apply in my own corner for open my eyes. And I'm going to use this brush, the A16, and I'm going to apply in my own corner. Wow, I love it. Okay, I love it. I love this eyeshadow. I'm going to apply mascara, and for my mascara I'm going to use this one. This is the Estée Lauder. It's a very beautiful mascara. I love this mascara. This is my favorite. Really. So I applied some lashes. And this is the look. I love it. Now let's go to do the face. For my foundation, I'm going to use this one. This is from TNGB Soft Focus Airbrush Foundation. I have a shade 4N. And for my foundation brush, I'm going to use this one. This is the C07. So I'm going to start with my center face, with my center, and blending for my edges. I put one pump in here. I think it's enough. I'm not sure, because my face is a big mess. I love this foundation, and the coverage is amazing. My concealer, I'm going to use this one again. This is the Soft Focus Airbrush Concealer in the shade 1W. I don't need too much concealer because this foundation had a very good coverage. For my concealer brush, I'm going to use this one. This is the A29. And I'm going to start to blend in my concealer. So for my cream bronzer, I'm going to use this one. This is the Pink Honey BFF Bronzing Face Frozen, and in the shade Buttercream. You see? And I'm going to use this one, this brush. This is the D04. It's a dual fiber brush, so it's perfect for cream products. I'm going to put a little bit because this shade is strange for me. It's too warm. In blush, I'm going to use this one. This is from e.l.f. The shade Turks. It's a very beautiful peachy blush, you know. For this makeup, I think it's beautiful. And I'm going to use the same brush again. You can see it's a little bit peachy pinky blush. It's beautiful blush. I love this color. I want more blush from e.l.f. Okay, done. Now I'm going to use powder, and for powder I'm going to use this one. This is from HNGB Cosmetic. This is Soft Focus Loose Powder in the shade Translucid 2. This is very good. You will see how good this is. This is my favorite powder now. Okay, first I'm going to use a puff powder, and I take some powder. Now I'm going to apply back of my hand, and next I need to blend in my under eyes because of my creases. This powder, it's magic. Look this. Look the blur. You can see this eye for this one. The difference is amazing. This powder is very, very good. This is my favorite. Really. I can use other powder. This is my favorite powder now. Looks like a blur. Looks like a filter. It's a very beautiful powder. I don't have good news because my camera finished the battery, and the part I was filming my powder complexion, I lost, and the lips as well. So I'm so sorry. I'm very sad that's happened. I don't like it when this happened. But I'm going to show you the products I used. So, for my bronzer, I used this one. This is from HNGB bronzer. I used the shade One Light. This is the shade I used for my bronzer. For my blush, I use this palette over here. This is from Juvia's Place, the shade Volume 2, and I use this shade for my blush. For my highlights, I use this one. This is from Catrice, and in the shade 10. It's a very beautiful shade, and this highlight is very good. My lip liner, I use this one. This is from Rimmel London. The shade 725 Tiramisu is a very beautiful shade. I'm gonna show you. Can you see? It's like a, I don't know, brown shade. Yeah, it's a brown shade. For my lipstick, I use this one. This is from Zoeva. Was the first time I used this. This is the Pure Matte Lips in the shade About Turn. This is the shade of the lips. It's a very orange shade. For lip gloss, I use this one. This is from Missguided, and in the shade Thirsty Thursday, and this shade is a very beautiful shade. You can see this is my combo for my lips combo. So was my lip combo. So this is my makeup. This is really a pumpkin spicy latte makeup because the colors over here looks like a pumpkin, really. Everything match, the lips, the eyes, the cheeks, everything match, and I love this look. I never use my lips like this. It's a very strange color, but for this look, I think this color is perfect. This lip combo is perfect for this makeup. Pumpkin spicy latte makeup, you know? I'm going to do a close-up so you can see my skin. My skin looks so incredible. Look at this. I hope you like this tutorial. I love to do this because this makeup is very beautiful, and finally we are in the fall season. I love fall, and I love the products I used today, but the products I am more impressed was the powder. Really, the powder is very good powder, and I really recommend this one. This is a very good powder. And the brush, I love the brush. The brush the brand sent me. It is not um, sponsor. So the brand sent me this brush, and I really like it. This brush, it's a very good brush. You can use my code and you can buy this because this brush is a very good brush. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up do you like this video, and see you in my next video. Bye!